RollwinIndia sound dampening door or window is an excellent solution for those looking to reduce noise pollution in their homes or offices. After considerable research and development, we have developed layered glass windows and doors. When installed, it gives great effect for sounds coming through openings. In fact, sound dampening glass can be almost anti-theft due to its thickness, making it more difficult for intruders to break through. Excess sound levels, also known as noise pollution, can cause a variety of health hazards such as hearing damage, stress, cardiovascular problems, sleep disturbance. Overall, excess sound can have a negative impact on our physical and mental health, and it is important to take steps to reduce noise pollution whenever possible. Check sound dampening test. In one of the installations at our customers, this video can be checked on YouTube. In this video, outside music was very stressful, and when the door was closed, it became so low, the customer started jumping happily when she saw the results of sound dampening. Install RollwinIndia sound dampening windows and doors for better sleep and peace in life. In addition to its sound-absorbing properties, RollwinIndia sound dampening glass windows is also an excellent power saver if you run air conditioning. This is because it can reduce the amount of heat that enters a building, making it easier for the air conditioning to maintain a comfortable temperature, saving on electric bill, and maintaining peace and good health at home or office.